Today we're trying to solve the biggest Rubik's Cube 3x3 on the market. So that is average side of Rubik's Cube, and that is the biggest one cube possibly you can buy it. So let's try to solve that giant cube. So first what I'm going to do is it's a cross. So far we've done cross, but now we're going to make edges. So one edge done. Second edge down. So third edge down with one edge to go, which is over here. So far we've done two lines. What we're doing now, it's top yellow, okay. So we done yellow. I already recognize some algorithm, so I try to solve it last step. Here we go, we just solved the biggest Rubik's Cube 3x3 on the market, which is called giant cube. So just one more time compare, that is average side and that is the biggest Rubik's Cube in the market. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.